did like 4 of them in the harmonics. Come on.
Spanish.
That was the flex.
Yeah. Sounds Spanish.
Yeah.
What? 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 What just happened? Hang on.
Hey. What? Wait a minute. That was too fast.
How do you steal that? No one can. How do you even?
I'm feeling it.
What is even happening right there? He's tuning it with the harmonics.
There's the harmonics again. Yeah. Man, if you are a musician like me, wait a minute. If you are a musician like me, you know, this technique it's too hard, it's too difficult, man. I'm a guitarist also, but yeah, I can play guitar, but not as good as Alif. But
Every time I think I cannot be blown away like any more than he's strapped me to a rocket and shot me into the space. Here he is loading me up with dynamite, ready to blow me up again.
I love that.
Oh yes. I like it. I don't know. I don't know, man.
Oh, what in that, dude? Here he goes again. God, he just did like 4 of them in the harmonics. Come on, man.
There you go. You have to have this special ear, you know, to have that technique.
that was that was crazy. Like
I'm loving it. You know what?
No! Oh! What? One more time. Oh, no, you just had to fix it.
See? Oh, matur nuwun. Yeah, matur nuwun, Alif.